Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into something incredibly unique called SoundDraw. This AI-powered music creation tool is perfect for content creators, rappers, singers, or anyone who needs customized, royalty-free music. SoundDraw is the ultimate solution, offering an easy and intuitive way to create original music. Let's explore how it works and see what it can do. Getting started with SoundDraw. 1. Try it for free. Visit the SoundDraw website and click on Try it for free. Select the duration of your music track. For this example, we'll choose 1 minute. 2. Choose the tempo. Adjust the tempo to suit your project. You can choose from options like slow, normal, or fast. We'll go with a normal tempo. 3. Select the genre. SoundDraw offers a variety of genres to choose from, including ambient, hip-hop, electronic, and more. For background music and videos, ambient tracks are a great choice. Select ambient to get started. Customizing your music. Track 1. Generate and sample music. Click the play button to sample the music and get a feel for the vibe. The waveform of the music will be displayed. Each segment of the waveform is customizable, allowing you to tailor each part of the track to your specific needs. 2. Adjust individual segments. Change the intensity of the melody, backing, bass, drums, and fills for each segment. This lets you control the mood and dynamics of your track. You can modify the song as it progresses, ensuring that each part of the music evolves exactly how you want. 3. Advanced customization. Adjust the length, BPM, beats per minute, instruments, key, and volume of the track. This flexibility ensures that every aspect of your music is fully customizable. For example, you might want a slow build-up at the beginning, a powerful chorus, and a mellow outro. SoundDraw lets you adjust each segment to achieve this. Playing around with sound. 1. Enable and disable elements. Click around the melody to add or remove elements, changing the intensity and feel of the music. Use the sideways triangles to enable fills between sections. This can help create smooth transitions and build-ups in your track. 2. Explore different genres. Experiment with other genres, such as hip-hop, to see what SoundDraw can create. Each genre has its own unique set of instruments and styles. You can add filters to merge different genres, creating a unique blend of sounds. For instance, combining ambient with electronic can give a futuristic feel to your music. 3. Fine-tune your track. Adjust the BPM to make the track faster or slower, depending on your preference. This is great for matching the energy level of your project. Customize each segment, adding or removing parts to perfect your music. You can also change the key of the track to suit your vocals or the mood you want to convey. Finalizing your track. 1. Download your music. Once you're happy with a track, click the download button at the top. This will save the track to your device, ready for use in your projects. You can also add the track to your favorites for easy access later, share it with friends, or generate similar music. This makes it easy to build a library of customized tracks. 2. Select a pricing plan. SoundDraw offers various pricing options, including monthly and yearly plans. You can start with a free trial to test out all the features. Choose the type of license that suits your needs. Whether you're using the music for personal projects or commercial use, there's a plan for you. SoundRaw offers powerful features tailored for music creation. 1. Detailed customization options. SoundRaw allows extensive customization of each segment of a track's waveform. You can adjust specific elements like the bass line in individual sections, enabling intricate and tailored compositions. 2. Genre exploration and merging. SoundRaw supports multiple genres and lets users blend elements from different genres to create unique tracks. This feature is ideal for content creators looking to experiment with various sounds and styles. 3. Real-time adjustments. The platform's interface supports real-time interaction, allowing users to immediately hear changes in tempo, length, or instrumentation. This feature enhances the creative process by eliminating delays. 4. User-friendly interface. SoundRaw's intuitive interface makes it accessible to users with varying levels of music production experience. The straightforward layout and clear controls facilitate easy navigation and adjustment. 5. Creating consistent music libraries. SoundRaw helps content creators maintain a consistent audio theme by generating similar tracks based on an existing one. This ensures a cohesive sound across multiple projects. 6. Practical applications. SoundRaw is versatile, suitable for creating background music for videos, intro and outro music for podcasts, and experimental compositions for musicians. Its ability to generate royalty-free music eliminates copyright concerns. 7. Community and support. SoundRaw provides a supportive community and various resources, including forums and help centers, to assist users with technical issues and creative inspiration. This support is particularly beneficial for newcomers to music production. Tips for using SoundRaw. 1. Experiment with different settings. Don't be afraid to play around with different genres, BPMs, and instruments. The more you experiment, the better you'll understand what works best for your projects. 2. Utilize the favorites feature. Save your favorite tracks and settings. This makes it easy to revisit and refine your music over time. 3. Take advantage of the sharing options. Share your creations with friends and collaborators. Getting feedback can help you improve your tracks and come up with new ideas. 4. Explore the community. Join SoundRaw's community to see what others are creating. This can be a great source of inspiration and tips. Conclusion. SoundRaw makes music creation accessible and fun, allowing anyone to produce professional quality tracks. Whether you need background music for videos, custom tracks for performances, or unique sounds for any project, SoundRaw is your go-to tool. Its user-friendly interface and powerful customization options make it suitable for both beginners and experienced musicians. Give SoundRaw a try and see how it can transform your creative process. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Happy creating, and see you in the next video.